What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering an amazing tool I'm pretty sure every WordPress developer should know about or at least should use. And so currently, if you're trying to install WordPress on your local machine, you will have to maybe download the WordPress installation and maybe download something like WAMP or XAMPP or MAMP, depending on which platform you are on, whether Windows, Linux, or whatever other platform. And you will have to go through the long process of installing the database, setting up things basically. And that will take you quite a while. Like, it's not really a long period of time, but it's at least somewhat time that you have to put in to just set up things. And so today we're going to discover this amazing tool, which is called LocalWP, which you can find at localwp.com. And basically, this tool allows you to set up your entire WordPress website in just a few clicks. Like literally just in 2 clicks, you can have your whole WordPress website set up instantly. And so I discovered this tool recently and I really like it because it really makes things very fast and very snappy, and it comes with basically all the features. Like, you can have your whole setup as you like it. You choose your WordPress version, you choose your database version, you install basically what you do normally on the installation of WordPress. You can do it just in a few clicks. And so it's an amazing tool. It also brings together all of your tools, all of your websites in one place, in one single interface. And so let's check out some of these features. Empowering developers with advanced workflow features, stop debugging local environments, and spend more time launching sites in WordPress. So automatic WordPress installation, live links, advanced development features, local connect, magic sync, one-click admin, a collection of pre-launch tools, and cloud backups. So it's really an amazing tool that I've been using recently, and I really like all what it's able to do. So it just presents you with this interface where you can basically just install any amount of WordPress websites in a single click. Keep in mind that the files are still accessible. You have full control of everything, whether it's your WordPress version, whether it's your PHP version, whether it's your database version. You have control of virtually everything, and you can do it very easily. It equally has options to back up your websites on the cloud, to get hosting instantly, and really do everything. So it's an amazing tool, and I really like it. Already the installation of WordPress, or the setup of WordPress, it wasn't complicated to begin with. It wasn't like to set up a WordPress website was that difficult. No, it was quite easy actually. And so this tool does just a little bit of help with that, but I still find very useful. So it comes with cloud backups, for example, image optimizer, for example, local connect, and it's the #1 local WordPress development tool. So I really like it. So one aspect or where it shines really is the fact that sometimes you can have tools like WAMP or XAMPP which might be having some issues, right? You might be having compatibility issues with your computer, or they might be running slowly on your computer. And so this tool really comes to solve such problems, because it really integrates all of that in its systems and is able to do everything. So you can really create basically site services, site management, PHP, like everything is included in there. It's a really advanced tool. I really like it. So you can head straight away to this website where you can download this tool for free. It has just some paid features. For example, if you're trying to host your WordPress website, you can do that with the paid features. If you're trying to back up your websites on the cloud, you can do that with the paid features as well, and other things like that. But aside from that, it is really very useful. I really like it. So it's amazing. Comes also with any add-ons that you can put onto it. So I really like all of those. So it's an amazing tool. If you're a WordPress developer, you should definitely check this out. Check out this platform and how it works. It's really interesting. You can download it without creating an account. You can just go ahead and fill this form with any information. Even some random information is good enough, and you can get it now. You launch the download that you can install just in a few clicks. So it's an amazing tool. So there are other versions, or there are other tools as well similar to this, but I find this one to be the easiest to use, and it was just the first one I found in that whole bunch, but there are other ones as well. So definitely check this out, LocalWP, and have your WordPress installations in just a few clicks. Like literally in 3 clicks, for example, you'll be able to have a full WordPress website launch locally. And if you have to deploy it as well on your servers, it comes with features as well for that. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.